In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable safety settings, block dangerous content for prompts in Google AI Studio. By the end, you'll know exactly where these controls live, what each option means, and how to choose the right level for your needs. First, open Google AI Studio and make sure you're signed in. Once you're on the main dashboard, look to the right side of the screen to find the panel with additional options. Scroll to the bottom of that panel and select Advanced Settings. This is where Google groups a number of important controls that affect how your model behaves. Now scroll down within Advanced Settings until you see Safety Settings. On the right side of that section, click Edit. This opens the configuration panel where you can adjust how likely you are to see responses that could be harmful. The system blocks content based on its estimated probability of being harmful, so you're essentially choosing how strict the model should be about filtering. You'll also see a reminder that you are responsible for ensuring your settings align with your intended use case and comply with the terms of use and policy. Keep that in mind, especially if you're building anything customer-facing or for broader distribution. Within safety settings, you can configure several categories independently: harassment, hate, sexually explicit content, and dangerous content. Each category has the same set of controls. Choosing none turns filtering off for that category, meaning content will show regardless of the probability of harm. Block high filters only the highest risk outputs. Block medium and high filters more strictly by removing medium and high risk content. And block low, medium, and high is the most restrictive option, removing content even at low estimated risk. Pick the level that matches your risk tolerance for each category. A few practical tips as you choose. If you're experimenting privately, you might start with block high to keep obvious issues out while preserving flexibility. For public or user-facing experiences, consider block medium and high, or even block low, medium and high, to minimize the chance of harmful content slipping through. Remember that stricter settings can occasionally filter benign responses, so adjust thoughtfully based on your goals. If you've made changes and want to go back, you can reset everything to the default configuration right from this panel. After you're satisfied with your selections, your preferences will apply to prompts and responses in your projects. That's it. You've enabled and tuned safety settings in Google AI Studio. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe for more practical walkthroughs, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next upload.